Alright, so the first thing I did was set these up to kind of the size of the rim. And this one over here cranks tight. It's easier if it's bolted down to the floor, but I don't have it bolted down. This thing slides in the center hole here. So, next, we're going to put the tire on, but they're directional, so we're going to make sure it goes the right way. But actually, before that, I got to put my valve stem in. Don't forget to do that. Let me grab that. Valve stem in there. Okay, valve stem set. So it's kind of weird on this tractor. The valve stems are on the inside of the tire. I don't know if it's originally like that or someone made it like that. But yeah, so that's the inside tire. This is the outside, the wheel, I should say. Which way, my direction, what side, the tire. So that's the outside. What the fuck is this one? Outside, the direction. This way, perfect. Next, take this little doohickey. Probably kind of hard to see from over there. Let me see if I can hold this and just go like this. See if I can see what I can see. All right. So you just get this down in between the rim and the tire. Push the tire down. This pretty much just goes on this side. What's gonna happen? You just run it around the steel pin in here. Pushes the tire down. So it's easier if it's bolted to the floor. It doesn't wobble over on you. Let's do it one more time. This in there. Like that. started. Okay, what's going on here? There we go, we're stuck on that. Make sure you tighten this up better than I did. Make sure it remains in those grooves. And the last one went a little easier than that one, for sure. And that seems to be stuck in there right now. That's what I get for hitting it with a hammer to use it as something it's not supposed to be. I'll burr it up on the end. And there she is. More difficult than I wanted it to be, for sure. But it got the job done. That's all that counts. I'll put this here. Next, I'll show you how I set the bead and fill the tire. Which just, I don't know if you can see here. This down here is for breaking the bead. Set the tire on there. Set that on the tire next to the rim. Give it a good push. Actually works really good for getting the bead off. And over here, I got my little compressor plugged in. Now you gotta get the bead set to get air in the tire, or else the air will just pour out the sides. And this is a little trick that I've learned over my time of dealing with this stuff. It works pretty well most of the time. Just don't hurt yourself. That's all. So I just set this ratchet strap nice and flat, right around the middle. Hook the two ends on there. Hopefully you can see everything. Yeah, I think so. You're nice and straight. Tighten it up. And crank. sucks the middle in. I think I broke this red strip. What did I do? Alright, so this one's not working. Let's try a different one. Hopefully I have a different one. Let's see, this one works. This is short too. Around the middle. Snug it up. There we go, that one's working better. Now, we crank and we crank. Just keep cranking. And as the middle sucks in, the sides bow out and tighten up around here. I'm just gonna get enough pressure on there that touches on both sides all the way around to get a little bit of an air seal. Alright. Just squish it a little bit to help work it in there. Okay, well, my ratchet strap idea wasn't working on this trailer, on this tire here. Worked on the first one over there, but not this one. So we're gonna try the old dangerous trick. A little bit of starting fluid and a little bit of fire. We'll see what we get. Let me try this one. That might work better. I don't know. That's old. Okay, let's try it again. The old college try. Got it. Aw, where'd it go? Some grooves in there. Well, that side seated pretty well. I might be able to fill it with air and get it now. right. What's this thing? Of course, that's how it goes. Cool. That's good. I wish I had the other side seated. Get to try that. I'll try. Success. Perfect. All right. And we finally got it. Peace. I think I could have made that any harder. Off here, but a couple bounces, put it right in. Alright. Pretty good. Well, we got her.